So why I am telling the present situation of the bar council, we have to divide this. You see, there are important is advocate welfare fund, health card. First, I will analyze and explain about these two. So far as this advocate welfare is concerned, now the present situation, only 35 years and below, I have to pay only 3,000 odd. The one day after 35 days, they have to pay minimum 50,000 for up to 40. Thereafter, like that, 45, 50, still it gone to 75. This is a situation. So in this regard, my analysis is there are several advocates, youth young advocates are not paid, though they have opportunity because of not like amount or any due to some reason they have not paid that amounts. There are thousands in number. So if I am elected, first they should be given the one more opportunity to pay to become the membership to get the membership in the advocate fund act. Otherwise, without membership, no benefits will be given. So 35, those who are not paid must be given one opportunity. Thereafter, according to myself, 35 to 40, why I am telling youth, they are doing double degrees and doing law at the time of, because when they fail to appoint in any employment, they are now coming to, because they do not go to the what you call business, they cannot go into the what you call politics. Finally, the final result is our only the advocacy. They are coming at the age of 30 and 40. So 35 to 40 age also should be given the nominal membership fees. So what I am telling, 35 to up to 40, they should be considered as youth only. This is my analysis. If I am elected, up to 40 years of age of youth should be given the opportunity with the nominal fees. This next one, first one. So far as this membership is concerned, after 40 to 75, whereas in neighbor state, previously in our United States, they are only collecting maximum 50,000. What are the 75,000 imposed by our bar council is irrational, illogical, not reason one, that should also be considered. So this is about the membership of the advocate to become a member in the advocate fund. Next, when these benefits are concerned, so only now, previously only 100 rupees they're collecting, and now it is made to 250. When it is 100 rupees, they used to say 6 lakhs only. Now when we are paying 250, we are entitled to get 15 lakhs as the mathematical speaking. So that I will definitely do if I am elected, because 20 lakhs also that should be made as well. Nowadays to 15 lakhs is very simple amount. So definitely that should be made to 20 lakhs. In the case of risk, death benefit, this is a membership is different, benefit different. So next one, health card is totally different from the death benefit. Health card is concerned, when we have fought like anything, all advocates gone on the roads, and our contribution was very big and huge. That's the reason why previous government has given 100 crores. Only out of 100 crores, only interest is out of interest. Health card only 2 lakhs rupees given for each advocate. Only that to his wife, children. Even they are not covered. Even in according to terms of advocacy, dependents also parents that they have not covered. That I am going to do. Parents should also be covered as the dependents. Next one, not 2 lakhs, minimum 5 to 10 lakhs. They should be before death. Health card should be before death. Health card after death is the this one. This is benefit of the welfare fund. So this should be, sorry, these should be analyzed separately. So I am distinguishing. Health card is totally different from this one. So far as the health card is concerned, only up to 2018 advocates were enrolled. Those are only being benefited. 2019 not was till the date. No were extended, no were given benefits. Health card given, that has to be extended. If I am elected with the help of the our professor, that is also covered, because those who have been enrolled but not given health cards, they should also be given health card. This should be another benefit. So far as welfare is concerned, this health card is this one, and welfare is two types. So now I told you already, youth is concerned up to 40 years, they should be given 5,000 rupees per month, at least for 3 years. This is the actual benefit for the youth. They should be up to 3 years. Then after completion of 3 years of their internship as an advocate, they should also be given 1,50,000. out of which 50,000 should be grant in aid that cannot be taken back. 1 lakh should be by, in the shape of lakh, so that they can establish their office by purchasing system and the table and this. This is a very small amount. So in that way, youth should be benefited, as this is the actual benefit of the welfare of the advocates. These two should be. So definitely, I will, if I am elected, these should be considered. So now, one addressing the bars across the Telangana state, one advocate, intelligent land advocate raised question, Mr. Satyanarayana, how can you raise your funds? Yes, it is possible. The raising of funds is called, I can say, administrative reforms. Number one, immediately after this new body is formed, what I am going to do is immediately the printing of welfare tickets and judicial tickets should be stopped. Each and every NP that is being paid by the advocates across the Telangana bar should be paid online, because I came to know that after collection of amount, we have 7 heads in our second ward subject to correction, because they collect money while COP issuing, they collect money in the enrollment, and they collect welfare fund. Like that, there are 7 heads. We do not know. We came to know by with a reliable member that they are collecting shape in cash and keep it in the what you call lockers for 3 months. After 3 months, it is being deposited in the banks. You know very well that even banks, if it is deposit saving accounts also, we are getting 3.5 saving interest also. So that we are also losing. Now onwards, once we introduce this reform, so we will get automatically 250 rupees. Now at present, the practicing advocates and processing COPs are 36,000 almost. Suppose per one day, at the rate of 250 into 30 is equal to 75 lakhs per day we are getting for one day, I am telling you. So one more labs is equal to this should be immediately this any amount cannot be collected. It should be deposited online 7 hours everyone wherever any amount that in the account of in the name of created in the case of the bar council only, so that it leads to transparency accounts. One way, as if we are seeing a account, if we click that, we are going to what is the amount remaining with our bar council. So definitely it leads to not only transparency, not only the what is the amount that is available with us, that we can easily come to know. This first one. Another thing is 250 rupees. So far, the APPs, PPs, GPs, AGPs, they should also give 250 rupees on par with our advocates that are paying for each wakalat. So far, what is the amount due by the government is crores of rupees. They should also give 2 rupees in accordance as we are being paying. So, if it is being collected 250 on behalf of the government, particularly in the High Court, and 250 rupees per wakalat, so it will become 500 rupees per wakalat. So, it should be made that unless and until the government pays his on his part towards 250 rupees, that shall not be had, that matter shall not be had, they should pay. This should be introduced, because otherwise crores are pending that we have to fight. But at least now onwards, after new bodies formed, person formed, definitely we introduce that unnecessary administrative reform is unless and until government pays 250 rupees, not simple memo of appearance. They should pay 250 rupees for any wakalat under the government. Then only that should be heard, because our judicial body is independent body. Because we are all third party, they are also third party in terms of the judicial body. They should also pay, so that at least for each wakalat, each matter, we will get 500 rupees. 30,000 to 500, we get 1.5 crore per day. So we not beg anyone. It is more sufficient. We can extend to the health card and everything. So this is very, very important. These are important reforms I'm telling. So this number one, there is no transparency of accounts. This should be audited by third party every month, at least 15 days. After the printing is stopped, after, this should be after payment is online. Online, every audit, any pen can be, any advocate, practicing across the Telangana can ask the question. This a bar council, any member or chairman should be answerable to any member, anyone ask any question. One more important is, I came to know subject to correction that even bar council, though even draw in any amount, there must be 2% to withdraw on the amount, even bar association also. Bar association registered under the Registration Act, whereas our bar council is established under statutory body, constitutional body. In that case, I came to know that only one person has the power to withdraw the amount. That should also be removed. We are going to do this, at least 2% should be signed on the check. As and when we want to take the amount, this is very, very important. This another information should be going to be introduced. So very, very important. So fourth one is, these are another important, very, very important. Another one is next to bar council. I have seen some advocates, some physically challenged persons, because they are not able to come to court. They should also be given. This is my own thinking. They should also be given the electric tricycles are free of cost by bar council. Almost just 30 members are there. That should be covered. Another one is, moreover, because when we are bar associates are paying 200 to 250 rupees per one, they should also be given back at least 10 or 20 or maximum 50 rupees. See, while I was addressing the bars, while I wondered, went to the all bars, even there are so what you call no latrines, no lavatories, no bathrooms, very difficult they're paying, because central government, when they're collecting GST, they are giving back 40% to the state government, 40%. Likewise, bar councils should also pay back to the bar associations to meet the expenditures of their own bar associations. This should also be introduced, very important one. So this should also be considered, because they are suffering from, because they are paying 250 rupees, they are not able to get back even 10 rupees also for each refund. That should also be made, because they are raising questions when I was addressing the bars. Sir, it should be considered. They also stated, I definitely promise them, if I am elected, definitely that should also be considered. So now అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ మీకు చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, ఇటువంటి బారును మనం క్లియర్గా మనం ఇటువంటి బారును మార్చాలంటే, ఉన్న పరిస్థితి ఇది. నేను ఎవరిని క్రిటిసైజ్ చేయట్లేను. ఇవన్నీ ఒక సింగిల్ కావాలన్నా కూడా, అమౌంట్ ట్రాన్స్పరెన్సీ ఉండాలన్నా, పారదర్శకత ఉండాలన్నా, ప్రతి మనిషి ఎవరు అడిగినా చేయాలన్నా కూడా, ఇటువంటి చేంజ్ చేస్తే మనకు కోట్ల రూపాయలు మనకే ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి బెనిఫిట్స్ కూడా మనకు అందరికీ అందుతాయి. ఎవరిని మన అవసరం లేదు. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, మనకు గవర్నమెంట్కి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బర్నింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ అడ్వకేట్ Protection Act. So this is possible by concerted approach by the Bar Council along with our members of the bar. First, Bar Council along with the members should go to the CM and the Cabinet Minister should go there. We should pose our problem, because the Advocate Protection Act is very important. If he is not inclined, then we call over all the advocates, bar executive body across the Telangana state, to each bar association consider executive body 10 members, 10 almost all we have 100 bars, 100 into 10,000 advocates, only executive body. If you go and sit together with the CM, definitely will consider our demand of Advocate Protection Act. This is a way to get the thing done. This is not being done so far. We should also consider, even including 41A also. So any problem we can solve easily, including these benefits. Another one is Another one is most important, because a new High Court is being constructed now. Even yesterday also, our Honorable Chief Justice told that it is under progress. The moment is transferred there, let us try one more Supreme Court bench to be established in our this High Court. This definitely we try, because building infrastructure is available. There's nothing they are going to lose. If one bench is formed, at least we will be having satisfaction that we are part of Supreme Court bench. This also should be considered. So my candidature is to consider my characters, my friends, my learned friends. I am practicing here. I am also standing up as a Lokayukta. I am Lokayukta regarding, please, under 226 article, any officer violates his duty and functions, we will file to consider the representation in this High Court. But instead of that, please ask your friends, please drop a representation, at least complaint in our Lokayukta institution. Within 1 month, your problem is solved without any NP, so that you will get fees. Within short period, your problem is solved. Kindly utilize that local institution, kindly. Because any problem, you please phone to me. My number is with the card. I will help you in this regard. So, finally, in order to institutionalize our Bar Council of Telangana, in order to make vibrant of the Bar Council of Telangana, in order to make efficient Bar Council of Telangana, if we are to make this inspiring Telangana, so this should become ideal, these reforms must be brought about. Then only we become ideal. Then once it is made, as I have explained to you, no, next onwards nobody will fight, nobody will contest, because it is zero, nothing. ఇది ఇల్లు ఏం మిగలేదు, ఏం చేయలేమని ఉద్దేశించి తీసుకొస్తాము. చక్కటి వ్యవస్థను క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము. ఎక్కడ కూడా ఎవరికి కూడా ఎటువంటి పైసలు తీయడానికి ఆస్కారం లేని ఒక వ్యవస్థ తయారు చేద్దాం అనేది కంకణం కట్టుకున్నాను. అందుకోసమే మీ అందరికీ నాకు కృతజ్ఞత ఏంటంటే, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆ ప్రిన్సిపల్ పెట్టుకొని ఫస్ట్ నేను గెలిస్తే మాత్రం పోటీ చేయను. నెంబర్ 1 ప్రిన్సిపల్, ఐఎమ్ యువర్ వాయిస్. మీ గొంతుకు నేను పెట్టాను. నేను మోరోవర్ ఏంటంటే, I am not purchasing anyone. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎలక్షన్ తర్వాత బై బై ఆఫరింగ్ లూజ్గా దావత్లు కానీ ఏం లేకుండా చేయలేను. ఐఎమ్ ఓన్లీ పర్చేసింగ్ హార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది అడ్వకేట్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఐఎమ్ ఓన్లీ పర్చేస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఐ పర్చేస్ ది హార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఐ నాట్ ఆఫర్డ్ ఎనీథింగ్ మోర్. ఫైనల్లీ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎలెక్టెడ్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ బి సోల్డ్ అవుట్. నేను అమ్ముడు పోను. మీకు తెలుసు ఎలక్షన్ తర్వాత ఏం జరుగుతుందో మీకు తెలుసు. ఐ విల్ నాట్ బి సోల్డ్ అవుట్. ఐ విల్ నాట్ పర్చేస్. ఐ ఓన్లీ విన్ యువర్ హార్ట్స్ by convincing by these reforms. Definitely being that I am equal to 23, I definitely being along with my elected councils and with your all associations, definitely fight. Just like I solemnly affirm and state from the bottom of the heart, I reaffirm my commitment. Definitely I fulfill. Otherwise, you please hold my collar and pull me. I am your at liberty. I am challenging you. I am the only person, and I am saying I am not the only person. I am the person. Without offering anything, I am contesting. Hope because I have almost addressed. I have almost enlightened all the bars across the Telangana state that I am fairly contesting because I am not. I am only for stop the exploiters. Should be very good institution. I am trying my best. I wanted to protect that one. I wanted to achieve that. Only for that reason I am requesting you all, kindly don't miss me. Don't miss me. Please elect me by giving a valuable vote, by representing one vote. If I have obligation, second vote, third vote. Otherwise, finally, best preferential vote. My number is like AK 47 144. My name is Satyanarayana Gurram Horse. Please, one vote I am requesting you. Please contest me. Don't miss me. Don't miss me. Don't miss me. I am fairly admitting, barely asking, requesting sincerely with my heart. Please, I am with you. I reaffirm my commitment. Definitely, I fulfill what I assured across the bar. Definitely, will please, kindly. వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్స్ నన్ను ఉంచుకుంటారని దయచేసి మీకు అందరికీ మనసుకు హృదయపూర్వకంగా పెడుతున్నాను. ఇంత మంచి అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన మా ప్రెసిడెంట్కు, ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ బాడీకి, సెక్రటరీకి, ఇలాగ ఇంత సైలెంట్గా ఇన్నందుకు మీ అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు, హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. మనకి థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.